People often call the processor the brain, but it's more accurate to think of it as an entire office floor packed with specialists. When you open an app, swipe between screens, jump into a high-end game, or start recording a 4000 video, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is what keeps everything running buttery smooth. It's the reason why the phone doesn't stutter or lag. But here's where it gets really interesting. This chip also has special circuits built just for artificial intelligence. This means the phone doesn't always have to send your data to a distant server in the cloud for processing. It can think for itself, right there in the palm of your hand, making things faster and more secure. Now, a great manager needs a great support team. Working right alongside the main chip are two very fast helpers, RAM and storage. Let's start with RAM. If the processor is the office, then RAM is the massive disk where all the currently open files and active projects are laid out. When you switch between your messages, your browser, and a game, the phone uses RAM to keep all of them ready to go instantly. Then there's the storage. This is the office's filing cabinet. It's where everything you want to keep is permanently saved. Whether you're watching a fast-paced action movie or just scrolling through your social media feed, everything looks crisp, fluid, and beautifully polished. It's your window into the entire digital world, and ASUS has made sure it's a very, very clear window. Now for one of the biggest features, the cameras. ASUS is heavily marketing this phone's AI photography, especially with its tagline, Snap in Style. And that's because the camera hardware and the AI software work together as true partners. It's a two-part system. And the one for capturing ultra-wide landscapes, there's a sensor that does one job, gather light. This is the hardware part. It captures the raw data of the scene in front of you. How can I reduce any graininess or noise in the dark areas while keeping all the important details sharp? There are the microphones, which are designed not just to pick up your voice, but to intelligently filter out background noise so you come through loud and clear. And then there are the dozens of tiny sensors. These are the phone senses. They detect ambient light to automatically adjust screen brightness. They sense movement and orientation to rotate the screen when you turn it. And they know when you bring the phone up to your ear during a call so they can turn off the display to save power and prevent accidental touches. Finally, let's talk about the software. All of this incredible hardware needs a set of instructions and a user-friendly interface to control it all. That's where the software comes in. The Zenfone 12 Ultra runs on Android 15, which provides the solid foundation for everything: managing your apps, handling notifications, and giving you system controls. But ASUS doesn't just stop there. They add their own custom layer on top. This layer is what enhances the camera with those AI features we talked about, tunes the performance for gaming, and brings in unique AI-based personalization options. This combination of Android and ASUS enhancements is what makes the Zenfone feel like your phone, tailored to you, instead of just another generic device off the shelf. So, there you have it. From the powerhouse processor and its memory team, to the brilliant display, the smart cameras, the efficient battery, and the intuitive software. Every part of the Zenfone 12 Ultra is designed to work together seamlessly. See you in the next one.